Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Porsche 918 Spyder, a 1/24 scale from Petron. Let's get started. There are 4 screws underneath the case. Let us unscrew those, using our small screwdriver. Also, there are nylon strings that support the hood, doors, and engine door. We will need to cut those nylon strings with a scissors, so we can open all those doors. This is a nice feature to this diecast model, to be able to turn the front wheel left and right. This has an alarm feature when you open the door. When you push the hood down, it will start the engine and you can hear the revving sound. That's the real sound of a real Porsche 918 Spyder. Also, the headlight will turn on and brake light at the rear. It's like turning on a real car. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to keep you updated with my new videos. Until next time.